so today's focus is on priorities, and I think that this topic is really important, especially if you really want to get good at something. And this can be a bit challenging because once you start to list your list of priorities, you'll start to see that you have to remove some of them so that you can focus on your top 5. And I got this from an article by Warren Buffett, and he just says that when you start to do that, then you'll become really successful at your top 5 if you just focus on those. So today's challenge is to pick your top 5, and I know it can be a little hard because you have to maybe let go of things that are not going to help you get there, and that can be a little scary, but just trust me, it'll be okay. And it was hard for me, my first top 5 led me to 8, and so now I know that I have to let go of 3. And I wish you the best. If you have any questions, you can just email me or just reach out to me. Thank you.